How to prepare envelope card, homemade card. Scissor, scale, gum, card sheet. Homemade envelope card prepare. Ten centimeter. And long 15 centimeter. Ten centimeter paper folding. Folding 10 centimeter paper folding. And 15 centimeter length. Cut this extra piece. Cut. Single paper cutting 15 centimeter. Single paper cutting 15 centimeter. Cut this paper. This shape cutting. Bottom side add gum. Bottom side gum. Add the gum, folding this paper. And this side add the gum. This side add the gum and folding the paper. Folding the paper. Add the side gum and this is side gum. Adding and fold this shape. Fold the shape. Two side folding. Two side folding this shape. And fold it. Paper cover is ready. Paper cover is ready. Prepare the paper edges. Add the opening the cover. Looking is beautiful. Paper envelope cover. Modern design.